Good morning, Mr. Watson, Mr. Rustam, and Ma'am Deva. This I present how to implement our UI into Hugging Face Spaces server. So first we have to log into Hugging Face account. Next we click our profile menu on the top right corner and click the new space. After that we fill the space name. Here is a duplicate of our my skincare chatbot. Next, select the UI type SDK we want to implement. Here I implement using Gradio. The other space hardware I use the CPU basic and it will be a public. Next, click the create space button. To submit the documents to the space, we can do some method. One of them is by using git commit and push, but because I already rarely using git commit and push, I use directly to drag and drop the files into the spaces. To do that, we can click the files menu on the top bar, click files, and then we can click the contribute button above the grid, and then we can drag and drop files in the folder. Here is the readme, the default readme from the spaces. Next we can change the readme. Okay, we gonna upload the files through the contribute menu, contribute and upload files. Here we can directly drag and drop files or folder. To do it, we just need to open our file folder and then select it, and we can directly select a few files, some files. The default files that should be on the Hugging Face space environment is the app.py and the requirement.txt. The requirement.txt is essential for the installation of related item that you want to install to the environment. Next, because I using a few models for my application, so I need to upload the models into the folders. The models I put it into deployable models folder, so I just drag and drop one deployable models folder to the files drag and drop directory, and then click commit changes to main. We just need to wait until the uploading process is done. When uploading process is done, we can see the detail of the data that already uploaded. Now here is the folders that I already uploaded. Next, I need to check update the readme into the readme.md that I want to have. Here is the requirements is all the things that we need to install to be able the program to run smoothly. Here's I use transformer, Gradio, pandas, numpy, skitler, and others menu that is required. Okay, if there is an installation that is not successful or not compatible, the building process will be failed and an error will be occur. Next, since it is still the default of the readme from the from the space that I create. I'm gonna copy paste it from the my own readme that I have. There is the readme that I have. Click the edit, and I'm just directly edit it. Commit changes, and then the main app that will be called is on the app.py. From the app.py, we is gonna call all the function that we implement. It is the app.py. I do I put the Gradio code on this app.py also. Here is the model path, and then this is the default keyword that I use for this application. Here is the app.py function of the skincare chatbot. In here, we implement the UI and the code to have the output of the UI that we want. First, I starting by initiating the model path. Here is the model path. I have three: LSTM path, a bird path, and a RAG path. Next, I make a memory system function because I want to save some memory context and concern. It's defined by keywords. If these keywords, oily, greasy, and shiny, came on the question, it will be translated into a skin type of oily. It's written as tight, flaky, dehydrated. It will be translated into skin type dry, and etc. This is some of the concern that I define. If it has blemish, so it's the concern of the acne. Its firmness is the concern of aging, and its hyperpigmentation. If it ntar lagi. If it's hyperpigmentation, it will be translated into dark spot and etc. After the memory function is stated, pakai apa ibu? Is stated, and then we add into the add conversation, and then extract the context, have the function to extract the context from the output. Next, we have the code for model loading. On the model loading, we load the files that we have already created from training the data of the models. It is has the intents, and then we have also the JSON config.json, the model web, the vocab JSON, and other files that we want to load to this environment. It was on the deployable. We want to load all of this train model data. After successfully upload the models, we create the Gradio UI component. On the Gradio UI component, it will be it will have this section. the left bar and right bar. The left bar is divided into some section: the model selection, memory system, default query, and on the right bar we have right section we have a question section, context, the buttons, the model's response, comparison, and history. Next. Next, after defining the UI, from the UI, we gonna call the function when we click the ask question. It's gonna call the predict. And this predict function, we define the what the like this. I make improvement for my skincare chatbot to understand some synonym that I use. If the user question, if it's sunblock, it's gonna translate it into sunscreen. Okay, that cleanse, and there is a cleanser related, something like that. And then if it's a breakout, it's gonna skin concern become pimple or acne. This is the synonym for improvement of LXM section. And then we gonna get the from the vocab of the from the model trend of the LSTM. This is the code, and then this is the RAG-BERT, predict RAG-BERT. The same is gonna get the confidence. I think that's all from my code of the UI. Actually, I'm making improvement of the LSTM to have some synonym. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, successfully. I make the improvement on the having synonym. What sunscreen should I use for bronze? Previously, on the skincare chatbot, if I ask this question, it will get confidence lower. Since I make some improvement, this is the confidence only 17%, because I do some changes on the code to make the improvement of the synonym. This is my first skincare chatbot, and the app on the prediction, it don't have prediction LSTM, it don't have a synonym section. Prediction. This is on the prediction LSTM. It don't have the synonym section. And in here we have synonym prediction LSTM. I expand the skincare vocabulary mapping to understand synonym. The other function is still the same, forward. That was previously 17%. but after the improvement, the the confidence level is higher. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. Thank you. Putri Geri Cawal.